Hello, I just wanted to share a quick tip about videos with music in Canva. Let me play this video here. It has music that I added, but you can hear that it ends abruptly. So it just doesn't sound so nice. But there is a way to fix this. It's just to click here and the audio will come up. Click in audio effects and in fade out, adjust to about 2 seconds or so, and then click play again to see how it sounds. See, it's much better now because it doesn't end so unexpectedly. That's the a tip. If you have music in the video, just click in the audio here, audio effects, fade out, and adjust for how many seconds you want for the music to end more smoothly. Okay, so I hope you like this tip.